everyone, today we are unboxing Belkin BoostCharge magnetic wireless power bank. Inside the box there's the quick start guide, other paper document. Let's see the device itself. This is the device and charging cable. We have USB-C to USB-C charging cable. The device is small. It has 5000 milliampere. It's kind of light. You have the logo for Belkin here. Some information. The power button and the charging indicator. And this support the device while charging. And one in and out USB-C charging port. As you see, the device has the Belkin logo. This side is kind of soft material. Other side is a plastic. And here, this part looks like it has a metallic finish. This will be used to support the device. The device is kind of small. Its dimension is 3.8 inch by 2.6 inch. And it's 0.6 inch thick. In metric, it's 95.5 by 65 millimeter and is 15.5 millimeter thick. The cable comes with it is a 3.3 feet or 1 meter long USB to USB-C cable. The maximum power for this device is 5000 milliampere and can provide up to 7.5 watts. This device is small and lightweight, but Belkin website didn't mention the exact weight of this device, so we will check now. It looks like it's 148 gram. This device comes in black, pink, purple and white. And the listed price for the device is $59.99, but can be purchased much cheaper during Black Friday and holiday season. Here I have iPhone 13 Pro Max and I am using OtterBox case, and we'll try to attach the power bank to the phone. As you see, I think it's secured properly and very strong magnetic connection. Now let's compare between the Belkin BoostCharge and the Anker 633 magnetic battery. Both has the same functions. Wireless charger, MagSafe compatible, wireless charger, MagSafe compatible. Both devices has support, so it can work as a stand while charging the phone. But there are many differences between the two devices. First difference is dimension. As you see, obviously this device is bigger. This is side to side. Thickness is not big difference. Height, the Belkin a little bit shorter, and width, the Belkin is a little narrower. Now we will weight the devices. The Belkin weight is 148 grams. The Anker weight is 219 grams. Device features. This is the charging indicator on both devices. This is the on-off button. Both devices. For the ports, the Belkin has only one USB-C port, while the Anker has one USB-A and one USB-C port. For the build quality, both devices has similar good build quality. Front is softer on the Belkin. The back for both devices is plastic, and the support leg is kind of metallic on both devices. Charging capabilities: 10,000 mAh, 5,000 mAh, means the Anker has double the capacity to charge your phone. Charging speed: both provide same charging speed, 7.5 watt. Belkin USB-C port can provide 10 watt. Anker USB-C port can provide 20, double the speed. And Anker has USB-A port which can provide 18 watt. Device prices: Anker is $79.99, Belkin is $59.99. Accessories: both devices comes with one USB-C to USB-C cable. On the Anker is 2 feet cable, on the Belkin it's a 3 feet cable. Both devices comes without pouch or case to protect the device and store cables. Let's see how the Belkin power bank can support the phone. We'll try to attach the phone and we see if it will hold. Now let's see if it can support while the device are supported horizontally. We cannot put it vertically, can only put it horizontally. Now let's see how we can attach the phone to the Anker device. This one has a longer support leg and it's bigger, so it can support big phones. Now like this. It holds well, and we can put it vertically like this, and we have no issues with the Anker. See, the Anker on the other side cannot support horizontal. In conclusion, we have two good wireless power banks, and the decision to purchase one of them is based on your needs and your budget. The Anker is $20 more expensive than the Belkin to provide double the capacity. On the wireless charging, they are similar. On the USB-C port charging, the Anker provided 20 watt while the Belkin provide 10 watts. On the weight, 219, 148. On the size, it's obvious, the Anker is bigger. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please support us by like, share and subscribe.